Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to chat with Temu's customer care. If you have a specific issue that requires direct customer care assistance from Temu, here's how you can connect with their support team. The first step is you have to go to the help center, and to do that, just open the Temu app or website. If you're using an Android, you have to download the app from Play Store. If you're using an iPhone, from App Store, and if you're using your computer, just access your web browser and search for the Temu website. Now after you open the Temu app or website, on the app tap on your profile icon. It's right in the middle bottom right here, and then click on customer service. It's right next to the headset icon. Now you have to register with an account to directly contact your support. After that, after you register with your account, select the live chat with customer care, and within the help center, choose the option to chat with customer support. You may need to select a category for your issue, such as order status, refunds, or account settings, to get routed to the right team. After that, provide relevant information by sharing a brief summary of your issue. Include details like order number, product names, or payment references if your inquiries is related to your purchase. And check Temu's FAQ before reaching out. They often cover common issues. And for a more detailed response, consider emailing customer care, but live chat is quicker for urgent matters. And save a transcript of your chat for references if needed. And that's it. These were some informations on how to chat with Temu customer care. If you liked this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.